Hey guys, before we continue on with the video, I just wanted to introduce the series I'm doing. It's called the Quarantine Series. I forgot to do an intro and all the way in the beginning when the quarantine started, so I'm doing it now. So what I'm doing is I'm having a quarantine series highlighting the things I did in quarantine that was fun. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the series and we'll see how long it lasts because we're still in quarantine. We're still in a pandemic, guys. Hello, I thought I would just do an unboxing video outside because that's fun, right? I don't know. But I got this package today and I'm pretty sure it's my board for my skateboard I ordered. And I just want to record it on camera so I can get my reaction. Because I'm planning to build a skateboard, And I'm just excited to get all the parts so I could just assemble it. And I might customize my skateboard. As in painting it something cool, something that fit my aesthetic, You got grip tape. Okay. Heck yeah. Need that grip, Oh my gosh, are you excited for this? I'm excited for this. Oh my god. I don't want to scream because I'm scared my neighbor can hear me, but I am so excited. Oh my god. Oh my god. I am so happy. Oh my god. And this is my first board. And then we have this. I am so surprised how fast it came. What the heck? I'm just so okay. This is what it looks like. So oh, it's my trucks. My trucks are here. Okay. Okay, they're good. And then these are the screws, the bearings. I think that's what it's called. I'm pretty sure it's a bearing. I researched this. If it's not, I'm an idiot. But another one. Yeah. Oh my god. I'm so excited. Okay. And then we have, this should be the wheels. This definitely should be the wheels. I didn't know it was gonna come so fast. I didn't expect this speed, Oh, this is the tool. I needed a skate tool to put everything together. My wheels! Bruh, okay, so when I was ordering these, they said, oh, we're out of stock, so I had to wait, and I thought all of this will come by July 30th, but it's July 15th. Oh my gosh, and I ordered it literally 2 days ago. I'm just so excited and happy that all of the pieces came so fast. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Okay. I'm gonna show you all the pieces I got. This is what I got. My grip tape is on the bottom and I put my board on top, and the trucks are here. This is the screws and this is the wheels and the bearings, and I had to buy this separately because I didn't have one and I needed one to put it all together, but I got it in pink. But yay, I'm so happy. So I drew some designs last night to figure out what I wanted on my board, and I'm just gonna show you what could have been on my skateboard, you know?
Curious butterflies. You mean bread and butterfly?
Like, I almost forgot to film this, but right now I'm sanding my skateboard because Dean said the paint will stick better. So I'm sanding it before I paint, and yeah.